Look at that. They got cocaine right here. Look at it.
Oh, how much is the Coke?
Yeah.
$1.
Let me get on Coke. How much is the cocaine?
That's a good deal.
I was thinking just money. Huh?
Did you make it ready?
No.
Oh, it's like energy or?
Yeah, it's energy.
Warning, the message is for the people who are too stupid to recognize the obvious. This product does not contain the drug cocaine. Duh. This product is not intended to be an alternative to an illicit street drug. And anyone who thinks otherwise is an idiot. You're an idiot. You're looking at him right here.
It's like a 110 for Red Bull.
It's for, oh, like Red Bull?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So nice. it gets you hyped up? It's good. You want it?
Oh, no. Thank you.
I'll come back.
I'll come back for that cocaine later.
Yeah, yo.
Yo, yo.